Today we'll talk about how can you change language on your family album app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you go down here. So you click here on settings down here. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you keep going down here. When here it's going to show for you notification settings, you just click you click here on language here. So then it's going to show for you like this, and here can you change your language here in this list here. So then it's going to add with you automatically on your family album app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.